Once you receive an email invite to set up your employee portal, you'll land on this page, which is your dashboard. On the left, you can see the different client projects you're working on, the different statuses. This will show you if they're ending soon, not started, or in progress. You can see the date you joined and the date you're due to leave. And on the right, once you submit timesheets to your management, this is where you'll see if they've been approved or rejected. Please note that you can only submit time for projects from the date you joined a project. If you need to go any further back, then you need to ask somebody in your team to change your date joined to an earlier date. In the timesheets page, you'll see a calendar view. You can flick through the weeks and you can return to this week, and there's two different ways for you to submit time. The first is just by clicking on the calendar. Here, you can select the project, select the task you worked on, enter the start time and the end time. You can leave any comments. This is optional, and click add. And you can submit for approval. Once you submit, you cannot edit the time. The second way to do this is to use the select project at the top. You can select your task, select your start time, select your end time, select the date that you worked on this project, and click add, and click submit. I recommend that you save up a week's worth of timesheets or a month and submit them all for approval in one go, just to make things easier for you. Thanks.